Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Tech Insider. Today we have 5 amazing stories from the edges of what AI can do. From the deep ocean to disaster zones. Let us get into it. First, AI-powered submarines have now mapped 25% of the ocean floor. AI-powered autonomous submarines have mapped a quarter of the entire ocean floor in the last 2 years alone, more than all previous human exploration combined. These AI subs operate at depths of 6,000 meters for months without human intervention, identifying new species, mapping underwater volcanoes, and discovering mineral deposits critical for green energy. Next, Hollywood just released the first feature film written and directed primarily by AI. A major studio just released the first feature-length film where AI wrote the screenplay, designed the storyboard, generated 70% of the visual effects, and even composed the original score. The film cost 80% less than a traditional production of similar scope and premiered to a standing ovation at Cannes. Third, robot chefs are now running entire restaurant kitchens with zero human staff. The world's first fully autonomous restaurant, with no human kitchen staff, just opened in San Francisco, serving 400 meals per day prepared entirely by AI-powered robotic arms. Each robot chef can prepare over 50 different dishes, adjusting seasoning and cooking time based on real-time feedback from sensors. Fourth, Amazon's AI-powered stores now let you walk out without ever scanning a single item. Amazon's Just Walk Out AI technology has expanded to over 500 stores globally, from Whole Foods to airport convenience shops. The system uses computer vision, shelf sensors, and deep learning to track every item a customer picks up. No scanning, no checkout lines, no waiting. Finally, AI drones have saved over 15,000 lives in disaster zones in the past year. AI-powered search and rescue drones have saved an estimated 15,000 lives in the past 12 months alone, locating survivors in earthquake rubble, delivering medical supplies to flood-stricken areas, and mapping wildfire spread in real time. These drones use AI vision systems that can spot a human hand waving from under debris, thermal imaging that identifies body heat through smoke, and autonomous navigation in GPS-denied environments. That is all for today. Subscribe for daily AI updates. See you tomorrow.